Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company River City Marketing, and they're looking for a customer retention specialist. It pays $24 an hour on the low end and $40 an hour on the high end. Do you have a great sales and customer service skills? Immediate job opening, customer retention specialist. This is a telemarketing position working remotely. Great hourly pay plus bonuses, full-time position. Must be able to work 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So this company pays well and truly cares about you and your future. Apply now for an interview, and we're looking to hire immediately. Job duties will be retention/sales related phone calls, retain customer through excellent customer service, build value in our products and services, study client profiles before calling, help customers complete onboarding process, update the lead with any information that needs to be updated, write a brief call summary, lead by example providing customers with excellent service, ensuring our clients remain satisfied, communicating concerns to their respective department. Top candidates will be energetic, positive, passionate, and tenacious. We are proud of our company environment where team members receive positive feedback and positive energy. What they're looking for is excellent sales skills, excellent customer retention skills, excellent customer service skills, excellent phone skills, be a team player, follow directions, punctuality, winning mentality, strong customer service skills, excellent communication skills via the telephone, basic computer skills, friendly personality, and detail-oriented. This is a remote position. You'll be paid as a 1099 independent contractor. It is full-time, pays $24 on the low end, $40 per hour on the high end. It is Monday through Friday, and it does have bonus pay. So if you feel like this is the perfect position for you, I'll have the link right below so you can apply right away. And don't forget to share it because there might be a friend or two that might need it more than you do. And if you want, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, since we are going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day just for you, so you find the perfect one that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.